I'm assuming this thing is a 1988. It seems correct, actually. It seems to be an 88 body style. Very appealing. Love these cars. I've actually gotten a good amount of seat time in one of these. Kind of a friend of the family, to make a long story short, had one, and so as a kid, there was a few times she would drive me in that car, and I would get dropped off at my parents' house in one of those things. Late 80s, mid 80s maybe, Lincoln Town car. While I actually prefer Cadillacs overall, I will admit that the Lincolns they actually are more comfortable. I don't think they handle better overall, but I think they're more cushy. They have more of a comfortable ride, essentially. Yeah, I like the color on this one. I normally wouldn't be into this weird brownish maple red situation. I say maple red because my buddy had an Oldsmobile that was maple red, and that had a similar sort of hue to it. Man, this thing's nice. What a boat. I love it.